Hello everyone, this is Tarot's Galaxy 1111 and today I am going to do the monthly reading for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Virgo. What are the messages for the Virgo for the September 2020? How the month will be for the Virgo, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Virgo. Okay, what are the messages for the September 2020? What are the messages for the Virgo, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Virgo? Okay, 5 of Cups in reverse, Queen of Wands. What are the messages for the Virgo for the September 2020? Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Virgo, 8 of Pentacles in reverse. Please universe, let us know what are the messages for the Virgo, Sun, Moon and Venus rising sign of Virgo. Okay, 8 of Wands, very nice. 9 of Cups, we will pull one more card. Okay, 6 of Wands, very nice. And the bottom of the deck is the Wheel of Fortune. So we will start with the reading. At the starting of the month, starting of the September 2020, you might be feeling confident. You might be dealing with the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or you might be having the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in your natal chart strongly, or it might be significant for the people who has been Mars in their chart, prominent Mars. Okay, so you will be confident, you will be in this energy. The luck is the black cat is always represent the luck, so luck is always on your side. And the bottom of the deck is the Wheel of Fortune, so luck is going to be changed. Your whatever the problematic cycles, whatever going on in your life is going to end, and now the good karma, whatever you have been done, the good karma, it will take care of all these things. Okay, whatever the negative toxic situation in your current past or in the last some few years. Okay, so you will be shine like a queen, you will be abundant, you will be prosperous, healthy and very wise, you will be courageous, and sun is going to arise in your life. Okay, so you will shine like a queen. Okay, see, you can see the glory of that queen, okay, from her dress. Okay, so the star and 5 of Cups in reverse, it represents us. Whatever the bad things has been happened to you, you has been let it go, you has been done the healing, and now you are focusing on yourself. 2 of Cups, okay, your work, your love life, your self love. Okay, you are focusing on that. Whatever bad situation, toxic situations, relationships, missed opportunities, missed chances or anything, you just has been healed from that. Okay, you has been turn your back and you just focusing on yourself, your love life, your family life, your career life. Okay, whatever the hard work you was doing in the past 8 year, 10 year, so much years, it might be for the long time. I am able to see that 8 to 10 years, 5 years, 10 years, so for some of you 6 years, you was stuck in the energies and you was doing very hard work, and right now it is going to pay off. Okay, so the communication, the messages will come to you, your business will get expand, or some of you might be getting the love opportunity. Love means whatever you was expecting the offer of love from someone, so you will get that offer very soon, because 8 of Wands is the very quick communications via mail, messages, telephonic calls, interviews. Okay, you just wanted to do the desired job, desired relationship, desired situationship in your life, and that is going to come into your way. So that good news is coming into your way, and because of that good news you will feel like abundant. Your all wishes will be come true. Okay, nine of cups is the card of the wish fulfillment. Your wish is going to be granted, and not only granted, it is going to come into the reality in the 3D world. Okay, and you will be leader, you will be take the lead of the relationship situation. You will be recognized by the people in your work life, in your personal life, in your love life. Okay, so whatever the struggle has been you has been faced, now it is time to end of that toxic cycle, toxic situation and toxic situations. Okay, so you will be leader of the situation, you will be feel proud on yourself. Okay, but you just have to take care that the ego should not be in your nature. It should, please don't entertain your ego. Okay, don't boost your ego. Okay, because sometimes these two cards suggesting us the egoistic personalities, so you just have to take care of it. Okay, and the wheel of fortune, luck is on your side. Whatever you want, desired job, desired love, relationship, desire income, whatever you was planning for, it is going to come true. Okay, it is going to come to you. Okay, so we will pull some advice cards from the unicorns deck. What are the messages for the Virgo, sun, moon and Venus rising sign of Virgo? So definitely in all aspect, in financial aspect, love relationship aspect, and career, profession, business, in all aspect, this month will be very grateful for you. So congratulations for the Virgo, and be in your power. Okay, and please don't miss opportunity, don't miss any call, messages. Okay, you will be it will be very significant for you. This call will be very significant for you. Call, messages, text messages, WhatsApp, whatever it is. Okay, quick communications. So we will pull the advice cards. Please unicorns, let us know what is the advice for the Virgo in the September 2020. Honesty, Archangel Raphael. See, 1 plus 3 is 4. So the stability is going to come into your life. Your life will be stable. Okay, you will feel stable. Feather, and the bottom of the deck, prosperity. Again, I told you in the beginning of the reading only, you will be feel prosperous. Okay, prosperity is come to you in your way. Sun is going to arise in your life. Okay, so see, prosperity is flowing towards you. So be open to receiving it. I told you, be open to receive the messages, call, text messages, or whatever the communication is going to come into your life. Okay, offer is going to come into your way, so don't miss that opportunity. Okay, because it is opening of your prosperity. The door of prosperity is going to open for you. Okay, so the first card is the honesty. Honesty will ultimately be rewarded. Whatever whatever the hard work you have been done very honestly, that is going to pay it off to you. Okay, whatever the work has been done with honesty only. Okay, so it is going to pay it off to you. I told you. So your honesty will ultimately be rewarded, because you are very honest person, and your honesty is going to be rewarded. Universe is going to take care of your hard work. Okay, they will going to put the rewards for you. Okay, Archangel Michael, use the sword of truth to help the world. So you just have to be confident, courageous. As I told you, you will feel like a confident and courageous, so that you can use the sword of truth to help the world. Because some of you, it might be working in the some law sector, or anything in which the you have to judge the things properly, and then you have to serve the justice to the people, society. Okay, or in your family in this September 2020. Those who are not lawyer or in the regarding the law, so the people might be significant, this situation might be significant for some of you in their home, in their colleagues, so that they just have to use the sword of truth. You just have to be the side of on the truth, okay, and help the world, because you have that power, okay. Your opinion is very significant for the world in this September 2020, okay. And the feather, this calling card from the unicorns tells you that they are near to you. You might be seeing feathers, lot of feathers around you, okay. So universe is, that is the sign that universe is with you, okay. So this was your reading. Please let me know in the comment section what how the reading is resonating with you, and please give me like, share and subscriptions, okay. I will meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.